Hey everybody, this is Laney. Hope you all are well. In this video, I will be talking about Robert E. Elder, also known as Lee Elder. Lee Elder was born July 14, 1934. He is a retired professional golfer. In 1975, he became the first African American to play in the Masters tournament, but he missed the cut. He was invited to the tournament after he won the 1974 Montego Open in Pensacola, Florida. He was born in Dallas, Texas. He was 9 when his father was killed in Germany during World War II. His mother died 3 months later. At the age of 12, he was sent to live with his aunt in California. He frequently cut classes to work as a caddy, that is, a golf caddy. After 2 years in high school, he dropped out. His first wife was a golfer. She gave up her career to become his manager. Elder's career took off after playing a match with heavyweight boxing champ Joe Louis. He and his wife later divorced. He was drafted into the Army in 1959. And in 1961, he joined the United Golf Association Tour for black players. In 1968, he claimed his first PGA Tour victory. In 1975, Elder became the first African American to play in the Masters. Leading up to the tournament, he received substantial amounts of hate mail. Fearing for his safety during the week of the tournament, he rented 2 houses in the town and kept moving between the 2 of them, and always had people around him when he went to eat. At the Open in 1968 in Pensacola, Florida, the same tournament which he claimed his first PGA Tour victory 6 years later to qualify for the Masters, Elder and other black players on tour were forced to change their clothes in the parking lot because members of the club would not allow African Americans in their clubhouse. While playing in a tournament in Memphis, Tennessee, a spectator picked up Elder's ball on the hole and threw it in the hedges. The incident was witnessed by another pro golfer, and Elder was given a free drop. Elder tried to stay focused on the game, but unlike the majority of players on the tour, he was constantly bothered by unruly fans, frequently receiving hate mail and threatening phone calls. He also lost his left eye to diabetes. And in 1990, he spoke out against country clubs that excluded black golfers. At the Masters in Augusta, GA on April the 9th, 2021, Elders attended. He joined Jack Nicklaus and Gary Player as the honorary starter on that day, April 8th, 2021. He's still alive. He's 86 years of age. Woohoo! Robert Lee Elder, also Lee Elder. Thank you for what you had to go through to open doors for the rest of us, including Tiger Woods. Let me know what state you all are from, the United States or out of the United States. Be well, stay safe, and stay in peace, not pieces. Hit that bell so you will know every time I upload a video.